Back to my another podcast. It's my day 55 of my podcast. I am Mary Chris and I'm so grateful that you're here today. By the way, I'm based here in New Mexico, USA, and yeah, I'm doing this business as my side hustle while I'm working as a grade school teacher. So whether you're listening while driving, cleaning the house, taking a walk, or simply enjoying a quiet moment, thank you for spending your time with me. Today's topic is one that completely changed the way I see life and business. My topic is the entrepreneur mindset, the shift that changes everything. Here's today's question. What thought flipped you from I'm trying to I'm doing? That one small change in thinking can change your actions, your confidence, and eventually your results. We all start by trying. Many people say, I'm trying to build a business. I'm trying to be healthier. I'm trying to become successful. I'm trying to change myself. I used to say those same words. The problem is that when you keep saying, I am trying, we often give ourselves permission to quit. Trying sounds temporary. Trying sounds uncertain. Trying leaves room for excuses. The day my mindset changed, yes, when I moved to the United States, I had dreams just like many immigrants. I wanted a better future for my family. I became a teacher and I truly love teaching. Helping children learn is one of the greatest blessings in my life. But deep inside, I also wanted more flexibility with my time and more choices for our family's future. When I found the digital business, I didn't know everything. I wasn't an expert. I wasn't confident. I wasn't comfortable speaking on camera. There were days when I doubted myself, but one day I stopped saying I'm trying. Instead, I told myself I am building my business. That sentence changed everything. Many people, wait until they succeed before they believe. Successful entrepreneurs do the opposite. They believe first, then they take action, then the results follow. Your identity shapes your habits. Your habits shape your future. If you believe you're only trying, you will act like someone who may quit. So if you believe you're building something meaningful, you will keep going. So there's one of the biggest lessons I've learned is this. You don't need to know everything before you begin. You just need to keep taking the first step because some days your progress is big, some days it's small. Both count. Every podcast, every post, every conversation, every lesson learned, they all matter. People often think success depends only on skills. I know that skills are important, but mindset determines whether you keep using those skills when things get difficult. A positive mindset doesn't mean every day is easy. It means you choose to keep moving forward even when it's hard. So I have here today's business tip. Mindset equals leverage. When your mindset grows, your actions grow also. When you when your action grows, your influence grows. And when your influence grows, more opportunity begin to appear. Your mindset determines how you respond to rejection, how you handle challenges, how you solve problems, how consistent you are to show up. And that is leverage. Many people say, I'll start when I'm confident. But confidence comes after action, not before it. Every successful business owner, every successful entrepreneur once felt nervous. I felt nervous before. Every confident speaker once had that shaky hands, like me. Every leader once questioned themselves. The difference is they kept going. So maybe you have failed before. Maybe people doubted you. Maybe you have started and stopped many times. That's okay. Today, I can be a fresh beginning. It can be a fresh beginning for you. Your future is not determined by your past. It's determined by the decisions you make today. So growth doesn't happen overnight. We know that. It happens one decision at a time. Read one chapter, watch one training, learn one new skill, help one person, create one piece of content, take one small action, and those little actions become big results over time. One of the biggest lessons that I've learned is to believe before the evidence appears. Farmers plant seeds before they see a harvest. They water the soil because they trust the process. Entrepreneurs do the same. We continue learning, we continue improving, we continue serving. Eventually, the harvest comes. So if you are listening today, right now, and you've been saying, I am trying, I want to encourage you to replace those words. Say instead, I am learning, I am growing, I am building, I am becoming. Those words carry power. They change how you think. They change how you act, and they change your future. Thank you so much for joining me for day 55, and I truly appreciate every one of you. Remember, success isn't about perfect, it's about showing up consistently with the right mindset. Until next time, keep believing in yourself, keep learning, keep growing, and keep taking one step forward every single day. Have a wonderful day and God bless you. And before you go, I would love to hear from you. Comment one mindset shift that you made this week, and let's encourage one another because your story might inspire someone else to keep going. Have a wonderful day, everyone. See you again tomorrow, guys, for my next FB Live, for my next podcast. Bye.